Watercolor paper comes in 3 different textures. Which one should you use? I'm Jess Rice. I'm an art teacher, and beginners are my specialty. The differences between them are really based on the subject matter you want to paint. I like to use hot press if I'm doing something with a lot of detail, maybe an architecture drawing or something where I need a smooth surface to draw on. Cold press has a little bit of texture on it. I call these the dimples in the paper, and that's where your paint or your pigment of your paint sits when you float your watercolor out there. It falls out of the gum arabic that it's in and falls into the tooth of the paper or the dimples of the paper. Rough has even deeper dimples in it, deeper tooth in it. So when I float my watercolor paint out there, it falls into those little dimples. I use rough more for my animal paintings that I do. I use it for my bears. The rough paper really lends itself to the texture of the fur, something that doesn't need quite as smooth of a drawing. I'll use rough. So again, 3 different types of watercolor paper textures are hot press. Hot press will actually take an iron and smooth it all out. It's nice and smooth. Cold press, they lay a texture over the top of it just to create just a small little bit of a dimple in it. Rough, they use a little bit more pressure on it, create bigger dimples in the paper. Different brands of watercolor paper will be a little bit different. Arches Rough will be a little bit different than Fabriano Rough, so it's a little bit different even between your brands. So it's really a personal preference, whether you want smooth, medium, or rougher paper.